FluenceXL allows multiple report selections and filtering choices from the standard member selector. From here, we can select one or multiple items and then choose related sets of members. In this video, we are going to look at how we can also use a range of cells to choose members to enable more dynamic selections on FluenceXL objects. FluenceXL allows you to define a range that contains the data you want to look at. Single cells or whole columns can be selected within the member selector here. This is particularly useful for power users and analysts who know their data very well. It is possible to use all the normal FluenceXL related set selections, though for now we will just use the cell itself. This method of selection is not limited to filters, but can be used in any part of a FluenceXL grid. I can move the products down to rows and change the range picker selection from the members in the cell to its descendants. I will now see all members that are below my selection in the data appear in my grid. The selection range can be stored on a separate sheet within the workbook. This means you can have multiple grids driven by a single range across different sheets, enabling you to build a more coherent report. The range picker is a very useful tool if you know the data or copy-paste lists of members into your workbook to drive your grids. However, sometimes it's best to present the user with a list of available members to choose from. Slicers can do just that, and we'll cover them in the next video.